In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through adding an image scroll block to your website. An image scroll is a dynamic block that allows users to scroll through images horizontally. Start by opening the section where you want the image scroll, then search for Image Scroll Block and insert the aBlocks image scroll block. It's that simple. Once you've inserted the image scroll block into your section, it's time to bring it to life. Start by uploading your preferred images. Simply click the Upload area and choose the images you want showcase. Next, head over to the General tab. This is where the magic happens. Start by setting the image size. Adjust the height of the image scroll by using the slider. You can choose the scroll direction. In this case, the scroll is set to top to bottom. Control how fast the images scroll by adjusting the speed S setting. You can enable or disable the overlay by toggling the Show Overlay option. Toggle the Show Icon option to display an icon on the scroll. In the Style section, adjust the opacity slider to control image transparency and apply CSS filters for effects like blur or grayscale. Customize the border style, e.g., solid or dashed, and set the border radius to round the image corners as desired. These options allow for fine-tuning the look of your image scroll block. After making all the customizations, click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized and added your image scroll block. Don't forget to save your changes and preview the page to ensure everything looks perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Once saved, preview the page to ensure everything looks as expected and your image scroll block is functioning smoothly.